Hello everyone, in this video we are going to write down the isomers of C2H4O. We will also discuss different kinds of isomerism that are possible towards the end, which is kind of interesting in this elemental composition. Let us first determine the degree of unsaturation, which would tell us exactly how many double bonds or rings are possible. We know that degree of unsaturation is equal to 1 plus number of carbon atoms minus number of hydrogen atoms by 2. Oxygen does not participate in the degree of unsaturation calculation, and therefore we do not have to worry about that. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 4 by 2. This will be equal to 1. This means that either one pi bond is possible, that is double bond, or one ring is possible. Let us look at the structures one by one. We can definitely draw acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond O H, popularly known as acetaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is ethanol. We have an aldehyde groups, and therefore we have to make sure that it is Al, not OL. If you write OL, then it means something else. Structure 2 is, we are going to write vinyl alcohol CH2 double bond C OH H. This is popularly known as vinyl alcohol, or the IUPAC name is ethanol. We have a double bond and we also have an alcohol functional group, so ethanol. And the third isomer that we can write is ethylene oxide, popularly known as ethylene oxide, or the IUPAC name is oxirane. These are the three isomers that we can write for C2H4O. Let us discuss the isomerism among these three isomers. Let us try to identify the different kinds of isomerism that are possible among these three molecules. How about 1 and 2? 1 and 2 are functional group isomers or tautomers. 1 and 2 are tautomers because in 1 we have a carbonyl group and in 2 we have enol. We have a double bond as well as an alcohol. This hydrogen that is there could quickly transfer to this carbon via 1,3 hydrogen transfer, and it can convert back to acetaldehyde. The equilibrium is more towards acetaldehyde and the enol form is not very stable. Therefore, 1 and 2 are tautomers. How about 2 and 3? 2 and 3 are ring chain isomers. 2 and 3 are ring chain isomers. How about 1 and 3? Are they functional group isomers? No. 1 and 3 are also ring chain isomers. We have a aldehyde functional group in 1, we have an ether functional group in 3, but we still should not call them as functional group isomers. Try to remember the rule about the precedence of different kinds of isomers. R, T, F, M, C, P. R means ring chain isomers, T means tautomers, F means functional group isomers, M means metamers, C means chain isomers, and P means position isomers. Ring chain isomerism takes precedence over tautomers. It also takes precedence over functional group isomers, and that is why 1 and 3 are not functional group isomers. We should call them as ring chain isomers.